How to enable or disable Wi-Fi on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the clock face by pressing on the crown button. Then to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi, just press on the crown button again to go into the home screen. Next, tap on the settings icon. Now in here, we scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on Wi-Fi toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Once it is turned on, you can connect to a preferred Wi-Fi network. So here I'm connecting to this Wi-Fi called David Wi-Fi 2G. If you want to connect to a different Wi-Fi network, you can simply turn off Wi-Fi and then switch it back on and see if the watch can pick up other Wi-Fi network. Sometimes it will be able to pick up other Wi-Fi network, sometimes not. So you need to turn it on or off several times for the watch to scan for a new Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Another way to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi is via the control center. So press on the side button here to go into the control center. In here, tap on the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.